Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I wanted to talk to you about succession planting. Very specifically, succession planting sunflowers. Now, I always recommend that you sow small amounts of things like sunflowers, sweet corn, zucchini, squash, and do it every 10 to 14 days, so basically every other week. And I'm exactly on that cycle with sunflowers this year. And I have 4 containers left, and I thought I would go ahead and take this opportunity while the wave is still mostly empty. I've got a handful of Seminole pumpkins growing, to go ahead and get one last round of sunflowers planted in hopes that they will be blooming in time for the fall open garden, which is Saturday, September 24th from noon to 4 p.m. So as you can see, I've got Mammoth, Evening Sun mixed colors, and Incredible sunflowers. The most important thing to note about these sunflowers is how many days it's going to take from seeding to blooming. So here on Incredible, 70 to 75 days. Here on the Evening Sun mixed colors, 70 days. So that's basically just over 2 months. I'm in the middle of July, so that actually would put me for the end, middle to end of September. Now, the Mammoth sunflower is 100 days, so that's actually going to put it into like late October, early November. Those might not actually do that well, so I'm not going to sow as many of the Mammoth. I'm going to go ahead and do all the Incredible and all the Evening Sun. And the planting process is really simple. I'm literally just going to dig a small hole using my favorite tool, the hand mattock, and then I'm going to drop 2 seeds in. Boom, boom. Just like that, I'm going to go through the entire bed, and with any luck, a bunch will germinate and ultimately grow out. Succession planting is really simple, and the goal is just to extend the period of time in which you can be harvesting or enjoying the flowers. In the case of a lot of these sunflowers, they bloom once and they're finished, and that's precisely why you want to be able to plant them every couple of weeks. Now, generally, I recommend succession planting for warm season annuals starting in May through the end of July. So we're coming to the very end of your window to be able to apply this practice. However, now is the time to get started on succession planting your cool season vegetables so that you will extend that harvest. Last week, we got the first round of cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, and so many others planted. Now, every 3 weeks, I'm going to make a conscious effort to go out and sow at least 1 6-pack of each of those so that I'll have staggered planting times and ultimately staggered harvesting times. Well, I hope this video will inspire you to sow some seeds and get excited about succession planting. And if you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe to tune in for more practical gardening advice right here from my Zone 7 Central North Carolina garden. And as always, thanks so much for watching, everybody.